Well, here we go. Everything's from all the kit I got from Big Red. I think it was 20 quid. These springs are from them. They were about what were they? 7 quid, something like that. In fact, I'll tell you his invoice. Maybe it won't, it's got nothing written on it. 0, 0, 0, 0. But yeah, they were about 7 quid, something like that. Why has that got 0 one? Oh, they sent me something for free. Yeah, there was some rubbers missing. These, I only asked for this, one of these. Oh, I just told them in a message and they sent me that straight away, but they also sent me that. So maybe they seen something missing that I didn't see out the packet. But yeah, they're quite good. Now, I'm guessing these, you know what guys, it's been that long, I should have built these straight away when I first did it. But didn't, as usual. So that goes inside there and the inner ring. Let me put it on this Big Red card so I'm not damaging me nice paint. Amorite red in the oven, 80 degrees, 20 minutes, sorry, yeah, 25 minutes, 80 degrees. Then I put it outside to cool, give it another coat, then I put it back in again for another 15 minutes and then just turned the oven off and left it, and then took them out after about 15 minutes, put them on the washing line in the cool air. Underneath this red is Acid Etch 8 by Upol. I'll put a picture of it on. Should look nice these when all the bushes are in, all the rubbers, seals. That got just pushing in there. It's gone in nice. First one in. After that is this top one. Sits in there like that. Get a bit of lube around there. Nice little kit. They got nice little presentation boxes. What they send it in. These the Big Red boxes. I know they've hardly sent anything, but you know it's nice. You know? I think this Big Red do actually do brakes for you. You can send them to them. But if you want to save some money, just do it yourself like I have. Only cost me the price of the paint and a bit of labour. So I've got 2 in there. I doubt much you're going to see. This camera's not it's not a self adjusting lens, so I've misplaced some of this. Where's the other part of this brake? It's got these from upstairs. Now, by the looks, they're not sided. So you could use either or on either side. You know what, I hate it when you paint something like that and you go out your way to protect it and you see little marks on it still where it's rubbed on something after you've painted it. It grinds my gears. So anyway, on for the rest of the job. these go on here. So we'll get a bit of lube on them. Get them on. Get this white grease. Comes with the kit, guys. Think of it all. I've got to do all this again on another project that I've got to do. So, by the way, I've only done the one brake for now. I wanted to do one then the other because I noticed one of the brakes isn't the same inside it. It's like it's not the same setup, so I didn't want to get them mixed up. That's gone on there, nice. Sorry if it's going out of focus, guys. I can't actually see anything what I'm doing. I've got these new pins that go in there as well somewhere. It's been that long since I've messed with this car. I don't know where anything is or what goes where. My head's just gone west with it. Totally forgot everything. Comes to you though as you start cracking back on with it. All comes back. It's like riding a bike, innit? So, just give it a squeeze. A little bit of a push. Should slip on. Not like that, obviously. There we go. Give it a little turn, make sure it's on. Nice. Nice. That. We'll go like so. Get the idea? Getting there, innit? What we've got to do now. Now, the rest of this kit, the rest of the parts, they're soaking in some gunk and they need cleaning up. The piston, most people would probably buy a new piston. I'm going to try and clean it up. I need to buy a new Dremil. I'm going to buy one tomorrow because it's seized up and B&Q won't give me a new one. So I'll tell you this, B&Q, I'm going to buy a new one tomorrow and you're going to be getting the old one back with a receipt of the new one. So I'll just show you that piston, how it looks. One is clearly worse than the other. Look at the state of that. That I didn't think I was getting this one out, to be honest, but I did. But I'm going to clean it up. In fact, I'm going to soak them in some gunk now and leave them overnight and take the other parts out. I'll probably put this one, because it's not so bad, back into this. Use this one. So I'll have to build all this inside there back up. I also need to buy some new pins for there, for the bleed valves. They don't come in the kit. It's one thing that doesn't come in the kit, some nice fresh. You got some nice caps to go on the tops of them. But no new bleed valves. But they'll be alright. I found them in the kitchen. These aren't off Big Red. These are just off some seller on eBay. I don't know who it was. Got 2 packets. And I'm pretty sure I bought them for the front, you know, but I think they're the same. The front and the rear are the same. You might not even know what I'm talking about. It's been that long, you know. Because the plan was to buy new rear brakes, but they were that hard to find. I just thought, you know what, forget about it. But these they look smaller, but they're not actually. They're the same. They're pretty similar. I'm going to leave the ones on from Big Red because they do actually look a better quality. Sounds that they're darker. I don't know. They're definitely darker. Big Reds are darker. They look better. I like the look of Big Reds better. I'm going to keep them. So I get this bag of grease as well with it. So I suppose you're going to be filling up inside there with the grease. Yeah, they're going alright, going nice. Move as they should. So I'm going to put some grease inside there and whip them in, but I think I'm best taking off the rubbers, putting the grease inside and then putting these rubbers back on and then sliding that down and then getting it to slip over this next section here. Or in fact, let me just try something. Get a bit of this lube. Put these on here first. I've never built a pair of brakes in my life. A set of brakes, should I say. There we go. So the plan now is to fill that and then get that over there. It should be easy enough. Let me just take this one off, do the same again. There we go. 2. Put a bit in the boot as well. Guessing that's what you do. Plenty of grease. Nice. Squeezing it all the way as I'm doing it. And there we go, guys, it's on. It's moving nice, feels nice and free. Give it a bit of a turn around. That went on a bit too easy, that. I was expecting to have a struggle, and the thing still looks nice and clean. A little bit there, seepage, a little bit of seepage. Let's do the next one. That's the the pressure of the it's making it look like it's on a spring, isn't it? It's just the air inside. So that's good. That's a nice sign. Squeeze and push, squeeze and push. Here we go. This one's leaking out a bit. Push it all the way down. It's going on. Come on. There we go. I don't know how they're meant to be, but this one is like it's on a spring, and this one is just dead. Pretty sure it'll move though when it has to. So then they come with some new nuts. I'll put them in so they don't go missing. I'll just put this away with the kit for now. They go in there, like so. They go in there. And then yeah, see they get in there, you know. This goes, is it like so? These are going to get marked to death. When I'm tightening these up, they're going to get, this is when they're going to go messing it We know that. They're going to get marked. Well, they got marks on them now, just touching on the cardboard. And they've been baked. It's because they're so heavy, you know. But I'm happy with them anyway. A lot better than they was.